Hi, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ YouTube channel ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. Welcome everyone to ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ YouTube channel. So today in this video we are going to learn the one of the part of a Vibhakthi prathyaya, the grammar section here. So I hope you have already watched the part 1 and part 2 of Vibhakthi prathyaya. If not, I'll leave the link here. Please go watch part 1 and part 2 of Vibhakthi prathyaya. Then you come to this part. Then only you will understand this video, or else it will be little difficult for you to understand. So we'll start with the today's lesson. So in the today's lesson, what we are going to deal is basically we are looking into the Shashti Vibhakti. If you already know the Vibhakti Pratyaya, in the Vibhakti Pratyaya we have 8 types, right? So Shashti is the 6th one. So what is the Pratyaya for the Shashti? Shashti ke Pratyaya is a. Right? So basically it can be like Simhada, Ramana, Sitala, Yashaswiniya, Shikshakara. Basically it's nothing but apostrophe S. Like Ram's pencil, Sita's book, teacher's lesson, teacher's class, lion's tail, monkey's face, ether. Okay, so today we are going to learn in what cases and how do I add this na, la, the, ya, ra, how do I get to know. So this one will just look into little bit detailing for the Shashti Vibhakti. So if you take for the Shashti Vibhakti, so in English is very simple, it's apostrophe yes, whatever it is. But Kannadadalli it's quite difficult and quite different also. So if you remember, for he, I always say avanu. And any tenses for a male, it always ends with the sounding na. Na, ne, nu, like maduತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದನು, ಬರುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, right? Similarly for a female, it mostly ends with the ಅವಳು, ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾಳೆ, ಬರುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾಳೆ, ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದಳು, ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾಳೆ, right? And for with respect or a plural form, respect or a plural form, it's ಅವರು, ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಬರುತ್ತಿದ್ದರು, ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾರೆ, ಮಾಡಿದರು, right? So remember this, the la sounding is for a female, na sounding is for a male, and the ra sounding is for with respect and the plural form. You understood? So now we'll take a few names of a male. For example, Rama. Rama's book. Ramana book. Ram's book is Ramana book. Gagan's bag. I'll take a different name, okay? Suresh bag. Suresh's bag. Sureshana bag. Ganesha's pencil. Ganeshana pencil. Abdul's cycle. Abdullana Abdulna cycle. John's mobile. John na mobile. I'm really sorry for the background noise. So if you observe, basically for all the male names, boy names, it's a na. Anna's brother's cycle. Annana laptop. Brother's laptop. Tammana ball. My younger brothers. Tamma is a younger brother. Anna is a elder brother. Okay. Appana. Appana Kannadaka. Appa's spectacles. Appana Kannadaka. So I hope you have understood now. You can just make a note of all these things. So basically, wherever we have a male names, so apostrophe yes ali, we have the na sounding. Remember, it's for a male. Rajana Kirita. Raja is a king. Kirita is a crown. So Raja's crown, Rajana Kirita. Suryana Bedaku. Surya is a sun. So sun is referred to a male. So Suryana, the light of a sun. Suryana Bedaku. Chandrana Bedaku. Moon's light. Chandrana Bedaku. Comfortable? Yes? Wonderful. I hope you have understood this. Similarly, we'll come for a female kivaga. Okay? Female, I'll take the first one. Simple one. Seetala Pustaka. Sita's book. Seetala Pustaka. Sumala Kannadaka. Suma's specs. Sumala Kannadaka. Next one is here remember Amma. So it's quite different. I won't say Ammada. I will say Ammana. Even though it's a female, in this a little bit different. Ammana, Appana, Annana, Akkana, Ajjana, Mavana. So all these relations mostly ends with a na, irrespective of a male or a female. Okay? And remember, it's all a sounding. A sounding. A sounding. Okay? Ammana, Ammana Sire. Amma's sari. Ammana Sire. It's a highlighted one, special one. Remember that. Okay? Doddammana, Chikkammana. Okay, na? Okay. So, these are the names, and name it any name. Take any names that end with the sounding, female names. Elladukku mostly there will be a l sounding. Okay? But take my name. My name is Yashaswini. I can't say Yashaswinila. Okay? I will say Yashaswiniya class or pustaka. Okay? So, wherever the name ends with the E sounding or A sounding, so basically you will add a ya. Okay? Also, it can be Katyayani. Katyayaniya book. Okay? Suhasiniya batte. So remember, where there is a E sounding in a female, there you will add a ya. Particularly wherever we have a E sounding, we have to add ya. I'm just talking about the female soundings. Okay? It can be Ajjiya, Tangiya, Atteya. Atte is an aunt. Okay, na? So wherever we have a E or a sounding, you will add a ya for a female. Or else it will be la. Clear? Comfortable? Wonderful. So just quote me a few examples and you can just make a note of all these things in your book. Meanwhile, so that we can go for the next one. So if you are comfortable with this one. So we have done for a male and the female. Okay. So I just erased the few of the parts. Only this one. I'll keep this one because I need that reference for the next one. In the next one, again, wherever we have a E sounding, especially with the things and animals and birds, again I will add ya. For example, Huli is a tiger. Huliya Bala. Bala is a tail. Tiger's tail. Kotiya Mukha. Face of a monkey. Mukha is a face. Koti is a monkey. Next one. Giliya Banna. Banna is a color. Gili is a parrot. Color of a parrot. So wherever you have a E sounding in animals, there also you have to add ya. Nadiya. Nadi is a river. Nadiya Neeru. Okay? Kitakiya. Kitakiya. Kitakiya Banna. The color of a window. Kitakiya Banna. Kitaki is a window. So wherever we have a things, animals and birds, sounds ending with the E or A, there also you have supposed to add the letter ya at the end. Now, we have animals and things, but their sound doesn't end with the E or A. For example, Mara. Marada Banna. Tree's color. ಗಿಡದ ಹೂ, plants flower. Next, what else? Simhada mai, the body of a lion. Okay, next one, it can be, I'm just taking the name of the animals. Any animals there? I can take, most of the animals will come with the A sounding, like aane, kappe, adala varutte. So just give me a few more examples. What else animal we have? Kage, gili, huli, ಜಿರಾಫೆ ಎ ಸೌಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಕರಡಿ ಇ ಸೌಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, I hope you have understood. So I'll just leave it here. Okay, so wherever we have a sounding mostly, so then it will be da at the end. Okay, so now we'll come for one more thing. I hope you have understood. We have done a male and female. I hope there is no confusion in that. In the animal section, wherever we have a sounds that end with the E or a for things, animals and the birds, then you will be adding a ya for that. If it is ending with the sounding, then we will add a the for that one. Okay, now I have a few more things, like havu. Havu is a snake which is ending with the O sounding. Okay, and haddu is an eagle ending with the O sounding. Okay, so then it will become havina, haddina. So we will be adding the ina sounding, ina. So wherever we have a O sounding at the end, for example, meju is a table, then it will become mejina. So wherever we have a O sounding, there we have a ina as a added. It is been added as a ina. Clear? Comfortable? So there are many more things like that, but I wanted to discuss only these many things which comes in a major for us to understand and to make a sentences. In most of the case, we'll miss to add these one, and there will be a very drastic grammatical error that will happen if you don't add these simple things, which is very, very important. Okay, now, so here we have discussed about the adding na for a male, la for a female. Special cases, e or a in the female name, you will add a ya. Again, special cases, e or a of a things, animals and birds, you will add ya. If it ends with the a for a things, animals and birds, you will add a da. If it ends with the o for animals and things, then you will add a ina. I hope it is being clear. I want you to find out a few more words, vocabularies. There are some special conditions also. There are some special conditions and special things that is there in this grammar structure. But I have taught you only the basic one here in this video. So if you find anything apart from this video, apart from this teaching, please don't get confused. Please feel free to contact me and write a mail to me to clarify your doubts, because we have done only the basic necessary one in this video. Okay, na? So I hope you have understood the Shashti, Vibhakthi, Pratyaya usage, especially the apostrophe yes wherever we use it. So that is what we have done in this video. I hope you have understood. Doubt idre please do let me know. Comment maadi or write a mail to yashaswikannadavaani@gmail.com. Share this with your friends who are struggling to understand, and this video will be useful for the children as well as for the adults who are preparing for your competitive exams, or you want to learn Kannada. Even this will be useful for you. So practice maadi, and that's it from my end. I will be meeting you all and with a few more grammar activities and very soon anta ಹೇಳ್ತಾ. Thank you so much. Namaskara. From Yashaswi Kannada Vaani, there are many e-books that is being launched, even for children as well as adults. So for adults, the Spoken Kannada ebook part 1 is being launched, and the link for this is mentioned in the description box. Please go check it out, the description box, and purchase the book. The one specialty thing of this book is in a colloquial version, and this is the one and only book and the first book which is available in the market which is in a colloquial version, just not in a written version. Make use of this book, along with also follow my Instagram page to get the spoken Kannada lessons for the adults. I hope this will be very useful for you, and the book is in a very affordable price. And for the children, there are storybook level 1, level 2, vocabulary book, and the tense book is been there. Please make use of these ebooks. Again, link for all these books is been mentioned in the description box. Please go check out the description box and make use of these books. These books will help your children to make the sentence structures in a proper way, improves their language fluency, improves their vocabulary in a language, and actually it will bring too much of interest to them in Kannada learning. So make use of these books for your children. And there are workshops which is available in the YouTube itself in a playlist named Workshop 1 and Workshop 2. If your child is really struggling with the basics like a Vandamale, Kagunita, Vattakshura, Arkavali, words, make use of these workshop. Link for these workshop is mentioned in the description box. Please make sure you will go to the description box and use all these links. Workshop is a free of cost. It is available in the YouTube itself, and all the ebooks it will be, you have to pay and use those books. There is a sample copy for everything. You can just look into the sample copy and you can purchase. Like ಮಾಡಿ, share ಮಾಡಿ, subscribe ಮಾಡಿ. So knowledge will gain only by sharing the knowledge. So children, if you have learned something, teach to your friends also, and this will help you in your gaining the knowledge. So thank you so much, and if you are not subscribed to the channel, subscribe ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Click on the notification, click on the bell link so that you will get notified as and when I upload the videos. Thank you so much. I'll meet you all ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.